Hey everyone, are you ready to sing, dance, and learn your ABCs with me? Let's go on a fun adventure through the alphabet, together. A is for apple. Crunchy, sweet, and oh so yummy. Can you pretend to take a big bite of an apple? B is for ball. Bounce it, throw it, or roll it. Balls are so much fun. Can you bounce like a ball? Bowing, bowing. C is for cat. Soft, furry, and they love to purr. Let's all say meow like a cat. Meow. D is for dog. Wagging tails and happy barks. Can you bark like a dog with me? Woof woof. E is for elephant. Big ears, long trunk. Let's all pretend to swing our trunks. Whoa. F is for fish. Swish, swish, swim. Let's wiggle our hands like fins and swim like fish. G is for giraffe. So tall. Can you stretch your neck up high just like a giraffe? H is for hat. Put on your favorite hat and tip it. Looking good. I is for ice cream. Cold and tasty. What's your favorite flavor? Yum. J is for jump. Let's all jump up high. 1, 2, 3, jump. K is for kite. Up in the sky, kites love to fly. Wave your arms like a kite in the wind. L is for lion. King of the jungle, can you roar like a lion? Roar. M is for monkey. Swinging and playing in the trees. Let's make monkey sounds. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. N is for nest. Birds sleep cozy in their nests. Can you curl up like a bird in a nest? O is for orange. Round and juicy. Pretend to peel an orange and take a bite. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle. Let's all waddle like penguins. Q is for queen. Put on a crown and wave like royalty. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop. Can you hop like a bunny? S is for sun. Big and bright. Raise your arms and shine like the sun. T is for tiger. Fierce and fast. Growl with me. Grr. U is for umbrella. Hold your umbrella up and keep dry. V is for violin. Play your pretend violin. Screech, screech. W is for whale. The biggest in the sea. Make a whale sound. Whoosh. X is for xylophone. Tap, tap, tap. Let's play our xylophones. Y is for yo-yo. Up and down, round and round. Z is for zebra. Black and white stripes. Can you gallop like a zebra? Wow, you did amazing. Learning the ABCs is so much fun with friends like you. Keep singing, keep dancing, and I'll see you next time for more adventures. Bye-bye.